Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, we have June's Your Nail Lab and I am going to show you what's inside. Let's go. Okay guys, so for the first item that we have this month is a polygel from their blue collection, and this is number 922, and it's just a light blue. I don't think I opened it yet, but I will be swatching everything for you. So give her a look. Oh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like the perfect baby blue periwinkle. Oh, gorgeous. I will show you swatches at the end of everything. It just makes my life so much easier. Moving right along, we have two of their new jelly polishes. So we have a red and a blue, and you'll notice there is a theme going on in the box this month. And then we have one of their new Pro all-in-one powders, and this is in the color Coral Light. And I'm gonna dim my lights really quickly and maybe you guys can see how like shiny it is. You kind of need like a flashlight on it. Let me try to dim them just a little bit more. Ugh, they're absolutely gorgeous. This is from their disco collection, and I'm actually wearing one right now that came in last month's box, and that's kind of like a sneak peek as far as what I'm working on. And the next two things that we have are from their new glitters, and we have this gorgeous blue. Oh my god, it's like to die for. And then a beautiful pink. Stunning. This is more like a rose gold, I would say, but still very, very beautiful. And then we got like a bunch of nail decorations this month. So we got some stickers, and to be honest with you, like so I opened this up and there's like another set in here, and I don't know if you guys can see this. Is this like a transfer paper? You guys are gonna have to tell me how to use this thing down below because I have no idea. I think it's like one of those stickers where you like peel off one layer, stick it on, and then like peel off the backing, but it's basically like a bunch of holographic stars. And then we have like these little stickers here, which there's a bunch of different things. There's like some stars in there too. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera. Then we have these guys, which I am going to go ahead and put in my lamp because they do something really cool. I know it's kind of bright over here. I'm going to kind of like move my lamp out of the way just a bit. They're hearts, but they change colors, which is so cool. So I'm just going to put them in my lamp for like, I don't know, 30 seconds. And then we got some more kawaii charms. Oh my gosh. I have no idea what they are, but they're so cute. Now, you guys know I usually put these in like giveaway boxes because I am not a fan of this. Not because I don't think it's cute, but it just doesn't work for my lifestyle. So you'll definitely see this in a giveaway box. And then the next ones that we have, oh my gosh, they're just absolutely gorgeous. And they are like dangly charms. So I will definitely be using these. I just want to open it up really quickly. So see if I can grab one out of here. Oh no, it's like kind of hard to open because they're stuck up top. All right, I will try to get one for you guys off camera. And then the last and final item we have are just some gems. Okay, here we go. Check this out. This is so cool. I have never seen like any sort of gem or item like that changes colors. So that was like really cool. And then the final item, again, we just have some crystals, like AB crystals, white, and then like gunmetal. I really want to do like some kind of like, I want to do like a punk look with like gunmetal crystals and that kind of like color, because I don't know what it is. It just like calls to me. So I'm going to go and I'm going to swatch everything, and then I will be back to show you. Oh my god, guys, here are the swatches. Let me get this to focus on everything. This is my fault. So this is the all-in-one powder, and I didn't feel like whipping out the acrylic and getting my dip stuff out. So I just kind of put like top coat, and then I would like use my cuticle pusher and dust it on, and top coat and dust it on. So I didn't do like the best of job of capturing the all-in-one powder, but I have swatched some of the other ones and they are absolutely stunning. So I have no doubt that this will be equally as gorgeous. The glitters, breathtaking. I am feeling like a little red, white, and blue theme going on with this box here. So I'm thinking I might take this in like a 4th of July direction. We are not far out from that right now. Actually, today is my birthday on June 15th. So we've only got a couple weeks left to go before 4th of July gets here, man. Summer just came and went. I feel like, okay, I'm not going to say that again because summer is my favorite season. I do want to just quickly try to see if I can get the like sparkle to show up on this. So I'm going to turn down my lights and then I'm going to get my phone and use my flash to see if we can just see what this looks like. So that, oops, I'm like looking at my phone right now. I feel like I'm not getting like a good depiction of what it actually looks like if I can get it to focus at all, because let me see if I could just show you my finger. Like it does sparkle like crazy when the light hits it. I think I just did a really bad job at like application. So don't blame the powders because they are really quite nice. I'm excited for what's in this box. I feel like these little jewels are super cool and I can't wait to play with them. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget that you can always use my code LUXE15. That is LUXE15 at Makartt.com to get 15% off your sale, anything that you buy there. And yes, I do get a small commission. And so anytime one of you guys purchases something using my code or using my link, I really do appreciate it because trust me, I am not making that much money from doing YouTube right now. So thank you so much. Again, if you are here and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so right now. It really helps me out a lot, and I am preparing for a huge giveaway once I get to 5,000 subscribers. And please give this video a like and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.